Hi, in this video I'll show how to use application for converting Ttml subtitle file into Excel spreadsheet. You can see on my computer I have a Ttml file. I can double click on it to open it to show you what is inside, and inside is a 3-column start time, end time, and text when a specific subtitle will appear. And also this viewer, it's a free app. I will leave a link on this app into description. I can also export into different format as well from this viewer. But I will be using this file I will be converting this file with application I will install from my website, and to convert it from Ttml to Excel. And in order to do this, I will go to my website, and I will leave a link on the site into the description. To find the app, I click on search and type Ttml. And I need this Ttml converters page, and I will click on Ttml to Excel and click on the load button to start the loading process, and wait until application archive will be downloaded on my computer. I'll be recording more videos on converters for different converters from Ttml file, subtitles and other subtitle type into different documents. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, archive has been downloaded. I will click to open it. Then double click inside on MSI inside archive, click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install. Click on yes and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and double click on shortcut to launch it. Now conversion is a 3-steps process. In first step I have to select Ttml files I would like to convert. So I click on this button, select input file. It will navigate to my subtitles folder and select subtitle file I want to convert and click open. And after that I'll click on next step. There are no conversions options here, so I just click on next step, and on final step I click run to create Excel file. And you can see it's asking me for name and location of the file. This name and location, I will save it into documents, and this name of the file is correct. Just click save, and file has been saved. Let's go and open file. Now I don't have Excel on this computer, but I have Excel mobile. It's kind of like free version of Excel. It's allowing me to see what is inside Excel, but I'm not allowed to change anything, including column width, and it's displaying it kind of ugly. But you can see that it has, if you have like normal Excel on your computer, you will be able to change anything and see it properly. Yeah, but you can see it has all data from subtitle converted into it. Yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.